Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into something we often overlook: the speaker on our smartphones. We're going to put it to the test. We'll be checking its performance for calls, music, and videos. Ready to see how your phone stacks up? First up, calls. This is arguably the most essential function. We need a speaker that's clear, loud enough, and free from annoying distortions. We'll be simulating real-world call scenarios. We'll be making calls in quiet environments and also in noisier ones. To see how the speaker handles background interference, we'll listen for clarity, ensuring voices sound natural, and check for any crackling or echoing. A good phone speaker for calls means you can understand the person on the other end, no matter where you are. Next, let's talk about music. The quality here can vary wildly. Some phones have impressive speakers, while others not so much. We'll play various music genres, from bass-heavy tracks to more acoustic tunes. We'll listen for the speaker's ability to handle different frequencies. Does the bass sound muddy? Are the highs crisp and clear? We'll also assess the volume. Can it get loud enough to fill a room? Or does it get distorted at higher volumes? We will also check the stereo separation on phones with dual speakers. Finally, we'll evaluate the speaker's performance with video playback. Watching videos on your phone is a common activity, and good audio is crucial for a great viewing experience. We will play different types of videos, including movies, YouTube videos, and content with a lot of dialogue. We will focus on dialogue clarity and whether the sound effects are well represented. We'll also see if the speaker's placement affects the sound quality when the phone is held in different positions. Throughout these tests, we will consider the speaker's position on the phone. Are the speakers front firing, bottom firing, or side firing? This can significantly affect the audio experience. Front firing speakers often provide a more direct and immersive sound, while bottom firing speakers can be easily muffled. We will also touch on how the phone's software affects the speaker's performance. Many phones have built-in audio enhancement settings that can improve the sound quality. We will explore these settings and how they impact the overall audio experience. So, grab your phone, and let's get started with our speaker test. We are going to go through a systematic approach, evaluating each aspect of the speaker's performance. Our goal is to give you a clear understanding of how well your phone's speaker performs for calls, music, and videos. By the end, you'll have a better idea of what to look for when you're buying a new phone, or simply trying to get the most out of your current device. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into our smartphone speakers. We use them all the time, but how often do we really think about their performance? We're going to put them to the test: calls, music, and video. Ready to see if your phone's speaker is up to the task? Let's get started. First, calls. Clear audio is crucial. There's nothing more frustrating than a crackly or muffled conversation. We'll evaluate the speaker's ability to reproduce voices accurately, even in slightly noisy environments. This includes the earpiece speaker and the speakerphone. For the earpiece, we'll assess its volume and clarity, checking for distortion at higher volumes. For the speakerphone, we'll test its range and background noise cancellation. Does it filter distractions, or do they bleed through? Next, music playback. This is where many smartphone speakers often fall short. We'll be listening for a balanced sound profile. We'll check the bass response. Does the speaker deliver a satisfying low end? We'll assess overall volume. Can it fill a room? To test music, we'll play a variety of genres. This will let us assess how the speaker handles different types of music. We'll also pay attention to vocal clarity and instrument separation. Finally, video playback. Many of us watch videos on our phones. We'll be assessing the speaker's ability to create an immersive audio experience. We'll look for good dialogue clarity and overall audio balance. Does the speaker reproduce sound effects and music well? We'll consider the directionality of the sound. To test video performance, we'll watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube clips. This will give us a good sense of how the speaker performs. We'll also pay attention to lip sync. So, our smartphone speaker test. We'll be putting various phones through their paces, and we'll share our findings. Stay tuned to find out which phones offer the best speaker performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.